Hey everyone, these are the items that we'll be using for today's DIY. We have these wonderful Christmas items here, and we have our bling wrap and some glitter, and of course we have our trusty glue gun. So you know what time it is. It's time to let's get started. Alright everyone, we have this snowman here that I got from the Dollar Tree, and I have two of them put together because they are kind of thin. So I'm going to place two together, and we're going to use some hot glue and glue them together so they will be nice and firm. And now I have a popsicle stick here that I just painted with some glitter. And we're going to glue that to the back of our snowman. And I put the glitter on there so it doesn't show through the little holes that the snowman has. So we're just going to use some hot glue and glue the popsicle stick to the back of the snowman. And now we're going to use some glitter with some Mod Podge, and we are going to glitter out this snowman. So hey everyone, as you know, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on that button and seeing the DIY that we are doing today. And if you're new here, welcome. Welcome, and I hope you press that subscribe button and hit the bell so you can get notified every time I upload another DIY. Hope you stick around and see lots more DIYs that I will be having to share with you. And as you know, this is a DIY channel and a lifetime channel where I do a little bit of everything and share with you all. And if you're one of my oldies, thank you so much. Thank you for always supporting me. I really appreciate it. Let's continue with this blinging out of our snowman. Okay, now we have this piece of foam here. I just got this from a box. You know when you buy things, you get the foam inside? Yeah, but you can use the green foam and stuff that they have at the Dollar Tree and just place them together to use also. So I'm using the flower bling wrap that I got from Amazon. And I'll just be gluing it going all the way around our piece of foam. Okay, now that that's all done, we are going to do the top part with some glitter. Yes, gonna put glitter all along the top. Now while our glitter is drying, I'm going to show you how I bling out these little candles with some bling wrap from Totally Dazzled. Just use the glue, place it around, and go right around to the other side and glue them together. It's nice and simple and easy, and you just glam out any plain candle that you have. Now this is only used for decoration, not for burning. If you want to burn them, take off the bling wrap. And now our glitter is all dry, so we are going to use these two vases that we have from the Dollar Tree. And this candle that I have from before. I did it just like how I showed you the small ones. And we're just going to glue them to the top with some hot glue. And you can use any adhesive that you'd like to use for your project. And now we're going to add some flowers, silver and red. This is the theme that I'm using today. We're just using our glue, placing them all around. And now we'll be adding some Christmas balls to our decor. Adding silver and red balls going all around our decor. Because it is a silver and red winter wonderland theme. Yes, it is. And now it's time to add our snowmen. Now some of the snowmen I added a little red glitter in with the silver. You know, our theme is red and silver. So we're just going to use the hot glue, and this is where we put the popsicle sticks to the back of the snowmans to help elevate them a bit and add them to the back of our centerpiece. Here is our finished look. OMG! Our Winter Wonderland Snowman Centerpiece. Doesn't it look beautiful? I love how it turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. A lovely centerpiece for your Christmas decor. I think it looks super cute with the snowman and the red and the silver. They were just blinging out all together. I think everything looks very nice. And using all Dollar Tree items, you guys. Yep. Diva on a budget using Dollar Tree items, with the exception of our flower bling wrap from Amazon and our silver bling wrap from Totally Dazzled with the gems on the candles. Doesn't it look super cute? Take a plain candle and just bling it out, and it looks absolutely beautiful. A lovely centerpiece for your table, for your entryway table, for your dining table, for your coffee table also. Yeah. You can place it anywhere throughout your home. And it's a lovely, lovely piece of Christmas decor for this 2019 Christmas season. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of our Snowman Winter Wonderland centerpiece. Yes. I love it. I think it looks absolutely nice. But like I said, leave me a comment down below and tell me what you think. And I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas this year, whether you're with family, friends, or you're celebrating it on your own. Make it the best day possible. You know, take one day at a time and enjoy yourself to the fullest. And thank you for coming on and seeing the DIY that I had to share with you guys today. And remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. And I will catch you on the next one.